this is the brief thought of how I want to deal with this membrane on silicon sample. So in Illustrator, I have mapped the image of the flake onto the layout of the gates below the flake, and because this sample you can see it has already really complicated pattern on the surface, so I don't think we can deposit our own bonding pads. So what we can do is to use the bonding pads that already exist on the sample as our bonding pad. So here is the small canvas on top of above the three gates, and I separate them into two layers because this way we can make the canvas smaller, and the black one is the top electrodes which connected to the electrodes outside of flake, and this will serve as the leads that we need, and this will be the gates below the flake. So that's the basic idea, and the question for now is that we do not know uh, which two canvases of this among these 16 canvases have the flake on, so I need to ask them about the exact location of the flake. And the other thing is on the layout they gave me, you can see here there are no markers on the layout, but you can see on Kitai's picture there are some markers here and here, like around the rings. I think they have markers elsewhere, like larger markers for them to align in the when they expose their photoresist or electron beam resist or whatever, but the markers do not show on the layout they send me. So I will ask them about the location of the markers so we can use the gold pattern that's already there as our for to align the electrodes we are gonna pattern. And the third thing, let me check. Yeah, the third thing is what I already said. I think like you can see here all the electrodes are connected to the they are all connected to the four islands on the corner of the canvas, so their voltage must be the same. So I think we need to ask them to scratch the metal off here and here around at the four corners so that we can individually tune every single gate. So that's basically it. So if you think this pattern is okay, I can make more canvases at different location for this and this flake.